Did you know that we can trace every sickness, every disease, and every ailment to a vitamin or mineral deficiency? Almost 900 diseases and disorders have been linked to a lack of 90 essential nutrients. Last year, over 2 million people died from chronic medical illness, and almost all of those conditions could have been prevented. Many of them could have lived if they would have done a few things different with their food and nutrition. My name is Mark Phillips. I'm the founder of Health, Wealth, and Passion, and the author of a new video series called Say Goodbye to Your Doctor. I'm blessed and fortunate that I'm not on any prescription medications for my health. My weight is way down, and I'm in great physical and mental shape. And the reason for my good health is because I take food and nutrition very seriously. The human body needs 90 essential nutrients every day to function properly and to prevent disease. There are 60 minerals, 16 vitamins, 12 amino acids, and 3 fatty acids that make up the 90 essential nutrients. The leading causes of hospitalizations in America are septicemia, heart failure, osteoarthritis, pneumonia, and diabetes. Most of these conditions can be prevented, treated, and cured with proper food and nutrition. Another reason to stay out of the hospital is this. Last year, 251,000 people died because of medical errors. While medical errors are the third leading cause of death in America, the leading causes of death related to nutritional deficiencies are heart disease, cancer, COVID-19, stroke, lower respiratory disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, influenza, and pneumonia. And according to many highly respected medical doctors and nutritional researchers, all of these deaths can be prevented with proper food and nutrition. The United States spends more money per person on health care than any of the other 195 countries. And even though there seems to be a gym and a pharmacy on every corner, we are sicker and fatter than any other nation in the world. 75% of Americans are obese or overweight. And since the 1970s, as the production of packaged goods with sugar and trans fats has increased, the rates of heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and other medical disorders have skyrocketed out of control. The nutritional crisis is taking a toll on our overworked and understaffed healthcare system. 76% of patients that were hospitalized last year had a chronic health condition. Unfortunately, 37% of those patients didn't get to leave the hospital. It's very sad to lose a loved one, but the even sadder part is that these hospitalizations and deaths could have been prevented with proper food and nutrition. There are nearly 200,000 fast food restaurants and over 36,000 packaged food companies in the United States. They spend billions of dollars every year in advertising, promoting their delicious tasting poison. Advertisers make kids' cereal look healthy, but many of the favorite breakfast cereals are made from processed corn or wheat, stripped from their nutritional value. And even worse, they're loaded with sugar. Sugar is responsible for obesity, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and it's linked to brain dysfunction and even cancer. Did you know that there are 56 different names for sugar hiding in your food labels? Highly processed foods are another source of malnutrition. You might think that wheat bread is better than white bread, but the nutrients in the wheat bread are diminished when processed. And whether or not the bread is white or wheat, it turns to sugar in the blood. You might think that French fries are okay because they come from potatoes, but they're deep fried in oil. You see, it's not what's in the food that matters. It's what's been done to the food, or what's been put on the food that counts the most when it comes to your health. Believe it or not, the human body is genetically designed to live to over 120 years old. So if you want to live a long and happy life, free of costly hospitalizations and overpriced prescription drugs that have harmful side effects, and if you're ready to take control of your health and well-being, then I'd like to invite you to watch the rest of my video series called Say Goodbye to Your Doctor. We'll be highlighting the healthy things like the essential vitamins and minerals, where you can get them and what they do for your body. Many of these life-saving nutrients are found right in your food, while others have to be taken in the form of supplements. We'll discuss diets that really work, that help you lose those unwanted pounds once and for all. We'll show you delicious recipes that you can make at home to help you lose that weight. We'll show you how we use nutrition to prevent disease instead of taking medications to treat disease. Click the link below and you'll be taken to my channel, Health, Wealth, and Passion, and look at my new video series called Say Goodbye to Your Doctor. So say goodbye to your doctor and say hello to your new life.